Hey guys, I have a question. Okay, oh sorry, did you just start it? Okay, I'm a photographer and I saw you guys are trying to take photos and I want to take photos here. Would you guys want to take like 5 minutes of photos? Like I'll take them for you guys.
Sure,
They'd be free for real?
Sure, yeah.
Sorry, I'm so awkward. I just like, I love it here. And so I'm like, while I'm here for a wedding tomorrow, I'm like traveling. And so I'm like, while I'm here, I need to try to get photos of couples at Cannon Beach. So anyway, do you want some free photos? Okay, slay, amazing. You can keep your jackets on if you want. I don't want you to be freezing. Okay, amazing. Anything for the gram. I'm gonna like leave my bag here. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna get up close. You guys are just gonna like kiss each other on the cheek, noses together, whatever. I'm just gonna be all up in your grill. Sorry. Yes, cute. As you should. Cute! Oh my gosh. Gorgeous. I'm gonna get like really close to you guys for a second. I'm just gonna get like close-ups like of your hands and your smiles and all that stuff. Cute. Oh wait, hold that for one more second. Cute! I'm obsessed. Yes. Oh wait, will you like do that one more time with your hands and like hold it? Cute. Oh, I'm obsessed, you guys. Okay, I kind of want to I'm gonna get a little bit closer and I want you to like hold hands and like run in a circle. Does that make sense?
Slow.
Yeah, slow run. Okay, go for it. Cute. Yes, that's perfect. These are so cute, I can't. I'm gonna get one of just your hands, but I want you to keep your jacket kind of like how it is.
Where are we at?
Oh, like that, that's cute, yeah. Okay, got it. Can I, oh, this is so, okay, like 3 more minutes, you guys. You doing okay? Okay, I love how your hair looks with the wind right now. Will you like, okay, wait. Are you both she, her pronouns?
Yeah.
I just want to make sure, sorry. My sibling is non-binary, and so I always just like double check. I just want to make sure. Will you go behind her and just like wrap her up in a hug? Because I love how your hair looks right now. Oh my gosh, cute. Yes, this is cute. Oh my gosh. Wait, both of you look off that way.
Which way?
This way. Oh, I love the wind. I love the hair. Amazing. Will you bring up, sorry, I'm going to touch you guys. Will you bring up this hand on the side of her face somehow-ish, maybe? There we go. But like bring some hair in front though. Like in front of your hand. Yeah. Cute. Stop. That's so cute. And both of you look right at me while you do that. Sorry, I'm like, while there's hair in your mouth. Cute. That's gorgeous. I'm gonna get a little bit further back. And then actually, oh, remind me your names one more time, you guys. Kennedy, Eden. Eden, will you go back like 10 more feet? 10 feet away, or you're gonna stay there, Kennedy, and you're just gonna like run up and hug her. Does that make sense? Yeah, like a soft run. Yes, this is so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, I want you to go in, Kennedy, you're gonna grab onto her face with both hands and just like pull her in for a kiss. Cute. And then you guys are gonna hate me for this, but kiss the other way. Like turn your faces the other way. Yeah, like that. Yes, cute. And then stand and hold both hands in the